good morning, good people. How are you doing? Wherever you are watching us from, how are you guys? How was your life? How is everything? Yeah, as you can see, today we decided to sleep in bunk bed with my wife. You see, we are alone, Nasi. Today we are alone. Tangorara two bunk bed, you know. Fana tawasiya kumbedoko sababa na mai, you understand? Right. So mama chimbomorisa yo shangmaritsenyu.
Mukasei guys. Sister mkapo. Kurise komori.
All right, so guys, lot of people we coming with different mind. Muswakaro mama, we are so takaenda na mama clinic Maniru paya tichiti mama wa kurwara. So today we decided to come with the truth kuti what was actually happening musuya chaikonzeresa kuti mama warware, because vanhu vakaenda pfungwa dzakasiyana-siyana, vanhu vakatara pfungwa dzakasiyana-siyana, vamwe vakati maybe wadai, vamwe vakachita maybe wadai. So isusu tadecide kuti tiuye toga tichikuudza chokwadi kuti chii chakambonyanza kuitika guys. Right. Guys, the good news is I think to us it's a good news. The only thing that I want you to know firstly before we tell you is inini I'm 21 years. I'm turning 22 next year. I'm still young, yeah. Then mama, she's 20 years. She's turning 21 years next year, Anditika. And we already have 2 kids, a 2-year-old daughter and a 4-month-old son. Right. So the good news is Modi motara ke mama ndotara ngo atongotara tese totara ndiye ngatari. Okay, the good news guys is we are pregnant again. We're just so excited guys because we are pregnant again, and mwana chipo chinobva kuna Mwari, uye mwana chipo chisingarambike, you know, chipo chinobva kuna Mwari, and tinotozvitenda zvikuru. So we are pregnant again. We are pregnant for the 3rd child. We already have 2, and now we are going 3, and we are not stopping. We are going, guys. We keep going. We keep moving. So is that the good news? Yeah. Nothing more. That's the good news, guys. So another guys. So we just want to thank you for the love, for the support. Thank you.